Hey, I'm Isaac with Thrasher Foundation Repair. We're on a wall support job in Olathe, Kansas, and I just wanted to take a second to show you the job. So in this particular job, there's some wall failure on this wall behind me. Some of the initial signs of wall failure is cracking in the foundation wall. Here we can see a crack from this window diagonally going to the outside corner. Oftentimes there's what we call a sister crack at the other end of the wall that follows the same diagonal direction. So those are some of the things to be watching for in your foundation walls. Our solution for that is our power brace system. They're steel I-beams that we put up against the foundation wall to support that wall. They're anchored into the floor and then anchored into the ceiling above us, supported by the structure. And then they're actually tightenable with these brackets here. And what that does, it permanently stabilizes the foundation and stops any further wall failure.